Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to add animated effects to your Evite card. So once you're on the Evite page, you can select any type of design you want to. So let me just choose 18th birthday, and then we would see how to actually just add any effect we want on Evite. So let's just okay, this is a premium one. Let me just say that it's only for the premium invitation cards that we can add the effects. For the free ones, these ones that are free here, we cannot add any effects. However, for the premium one, those are the ones we can add effects to. So just even though we cannot send it or download it, we can just have a feel of how the effects look like and how to actually customize them to our taste. Okay, so now we can choose the background and effects section. You can see there is a text section and background and tech effects. Now we can choose any background texture we want, but since we are talking about the animated one, we will just choose any of the animation here. Let's choose this. We can choose this. Can also scroll down to see other. Okay, no, this is for the background texture. We are still talking about the background here. Okay, background effects and animated. So once we are done, we just need to select any of these that speaks to us. We can choose this, and once if we like the result, we can leave it that way. But if we do not like it, we can change it up and select the one that speaks to us better. So this is how to add animated text to your premium Evite cards. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys in the next one.